What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and as you can see by the title, today we are talking about Shiba Inu. I want to give you guys a quick update about what I think is going to happen in terms of the price action. We'll get into the coin market cap, and we'll go ahead and take a look at some things on Twitter that have given me a lot of confidence when it comes to Shiba Inu. Of course, we'll get into Shiba Swap and what it means for the coin, and my thoughts and opinions about everything that is going on. So please, if you're new around here, hit that subscribe button to join the family of investors. Throw a like on this video so that we can get it out to more people, and comment down below about either Shiba Inu or any other cryptocurrency that you are in. Who knows? It might be the next video that I do on this channel. Last but not least, folks, please, if you are new to investing or looking for a new brokerage to invest with, there is an affiliate link down in the description below. Your boy's official now. The way it works is that if you sign up using my affiliate link in the description below for Webull, you get a free stock valued $2.50 all the way up to $250. And now whenever you deposit $100 into that brokerage account, you can get a stock valued from $8 all the way up to $1,600. So please, like I said, if you're new to investing or need a new brokerage, go ahead and sign up for Webull with that affiliate link down below. And not to mention the fact that you can now trade cryptocurrencies with Webull. Let's get into this. Shiba Inu. The price action, folks. Today, finally, if we just take a zoom in here on the 1 day chart, we have finally seen a little bit of an upwards trajectory when it comes to Shiba Inu. Not only that, folks, let's go ahead and look at the whole crypto market space. This is the last 7 days. I always use this, folks, as a snapshot to see how is the whole cryptocurrency market doing in general. And as you can see here over the last day, about the last maybe 1/5 of the chart here, and I know it's not super clear, we can see a nice upward trajectory for most of our coins here. Of course, there's a few weird ones, but that's what we generally see after a huge, just, massive sell-off earlier last week. We just saw this huge sell-off here, and now we're finally starting to see some type of upward movement. And Shiba Inu is lagging behind a little bit, as you see here. We're not seeing as much of an upward movement here, sitting at number 2, Shiba Inu. We're not seeing as much of an upward movement here on the 1 day to maybe 2 day chart. So if we take a look here, we are up on the 24 hours. We are up around 18%, which is very healthy in my opinion. But this thing still hasn't made its run up like a lot of the other cryptocurrencies have. If we look at Bitcoin, for example, I know it does say 15% here, but that's just for the 24-hour chart. But if you look at this chart over here, you can see that there is a more upward trajectory for this one. Ethereum 26% just on the 24-hour chart. Again, you can see that there is a more upward trajectory here compared to Shiba Inu that's looking a little bit more flat. So I think on the 1 day chart we are looking pretty good. If we zoom back out a little bit and do look at that 7 day chart, we are still in the red. Now, what did I say, folks? It's all about consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. Look at this thing. We are riding pretty flat here, and then finally this slight upward trajectory. I think we are sitting at a pretty good place here. We don't want to see this thing just absolutely explode, in my opinion. Now, I think it might. I think it has the potential to absolutely explode. But whenever you are looking at these cryptocurrencies and the ones that really have longevity, they don't just, 5x overnight. They don't 10x overnight. I think, in the long run, they can do that. They could potentially 100x even. But that being said, we don't want to see that just happen, boom, because there's always a sell-off if that happens. But if it happens gradually and people are selling slowly, people are selling a little bit at a time as we are climbing up, that gives it a nice linear trajectory rather than an exponential one. That being said, I do think with all the catalysts that are happening with Shiba Inu, we do really have the potential to have that exponential trajectory. And the thing that makes me the most bullish on Shiba Inu, in my opinion, is Shiba Swap. Now, folks, I haven't really gotten into the nitty gritty of what Shiba Swap is on my YouTube channel yet. Obviously, there's a lot of YouTube videos out there. Now, what I'm going to do for a video in the future, maybe either later today or sometime this week, is I'm going to really get into the nitty gritty of what Shiba Swap is and what it really means for Shiba Inu and all the other tokens that is coming out of this development team. Obviously, right now, Shiba Swap isn't out to the public yet. They have leaked it a couple of times. There is the equivalent of a white paper that I want to get into, and I'm going to get into on this channel so I can really show you guys why I think Shiba Swap is going to be big. Obviously, right now it's undergoing security tests, audits for final updates, and so that they can prepare for a safe launch. But on this website, it's going to be a one-stop shop for all things Shiba Inu, obviously, and probably a bunch of other tokens as well. And I think it's going to be a very big deal. You know, they're talking about staking and farming and things of that nature. So there's a lot that's going to be going on when it comes to Shiba Swap. And I will be getting into that hopefully in a video in the short term future. So just be on the lookout for that. So I think once Shiba Swap comes out and once, we start seeing these things start to develop and take shape, I do believe that the price can take a more exponential look to it. And that's exactly what we saw back here when this thing absolutely exploded. Of course, there was a massive sell-off afterwards, which could potentially happen again. But folks, these are the types of things that you have to be on the lookout for. Obviously, short-term catalysts are very important, long-term catalysts are very important, but you have to recognize that whenever you do have these short-term explosions in the market, in any cryptocurrency, even in stocks even, you're always going to have, not always, but a majority of the time, you are going to have some type of repercussion in the form of a sell-off. So folks, please, whenever I talk about these cryptocurrencies, obviously this is not financial advice. I want you guys to go out and do your own research and make sure that you are investing with confidence and do your due diligence when it comes to anything I talk about on this channel. What I want to do next is quickly take a look at the market cap, the coin market cap. This is the most visited cryptocurrencies on coin market cap. Obviously, BTC, King BTC sitting here at number one. Shiba Inu at a very healthy number two. We already talked about a little bit of this price action. We're up 17, 18% here on the day. The market cap, I'm a market cap guy. You guys know that. It's sitting here at $3.4 billion. So very, very healthy. 24-hour volume here, $1.2 billion. So hey guys, if this thing even catches up to some of the top dogs in cryptocurrency, we're talking about a potential 10x in the short term, and even 100x if it really explodes, catches up to something like the likes of Ethereum, etc. So if we get a market cap of 30 billion, we're talking about a 10x. 300 billion, we're talking about 100x. These things are possible. I know I'm talking about crazy numbers here, but you guys got to be wise investors, and you got to really look into the short-term and long-term catalysts to see if this is a wise investment for your portfolio personally. Speaking of which, go ahead and look at the Twitter page. 491,000, almost 492k followers here on Twitter. Folks, this number just keeps climbing. The first Shiba Inu video I did, not the first one, but the one that I did a couple of days ago, they had 444k, and it just absolutely exploded by almost 50k followers just in the span of a couple of days. Obviously, this is your one-stop shop for all things Shiba Inu news. I really like the Twitter page because I get a lot of information about new listings when it comes to Shiba Inu. And since our last video, I think this is the newest one here in Everest World. They just listed Shiba Inu. And guys, you got to remember something about Shiba Inu. They are not being asked to be listed on these exchanges. These exchanges are listing them out of their own free will. Shiba Inu is not, the dev team is not going out and telling them, hey, can you list our token? No, these companies and these exchanges know how much traction is coming with Shiba Inu, and they are going out there and listing them themselves. So guys, you got to remember that. Now, obviously, the biggest listing of all, not the biggest, but the thing that's going to give Shiba Inu a lot of traction that's been really going around recently, I covered it in my last video, is obviously this Robinhood listing. Folks, nothing is set in stone when it comes to that, but if that does end up happening, maybe I'll cover that in a video later today as well, recover it and look at the numbers again. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm not going to do that now. But guys, if that does happen and we do end up getting Robinhood, I think that's going to be a big deal for Shiba Inu. And I'll check on the status of that poll. There's a poll running right now. It's not really a poll, rather they're trying to get signatures so that they can get enough to kind of gain traction and show Robinhood, hey, look at all these people that want Shiba Inu to be listed on Robinhood. So if that continues to do well like it's been doing over the past, couple of days even, there is a lot of potential there. So guys, like I said, short-term, long-term catalysts. The 7-day chart, in my opinion, is looking beautiful, really nice. Even, just the last few days since May 22nd here, where we started seeing this area of consolidation, I think this looks great. I think we are set for a potential breakout if the catalysts just come at the right time. The crypto market is all recovering. We are looking good. I'm hoping that it continues to do well and continues to recover, but only time will tell. We have to watch these things very carefully. Please be careful while you're investing. Obviously, folks, all the things that I said today are just my thoughts and opinions. What I want to hear is your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. So please drop a comment, throw a like on this video. Let's get it out to more people. Subscribe if you're new around here. And last but not least, if you watched all the way to the end, folks, the way that you can help out this channel grow and flourish, the number one way is to sign up for a Webull account using the affiliate link in the description below. It really helps out the channel, and you can potentially win some really big stocks. I really appreciate you guys watching all the way to the end. It's your boy Rigor Mortis. I'm out. Peace.